So we were rocking the new alpicool, or the used one per year. Iceless cooler, it's the best thing ever. So like, you no longer need ice anymore if you got a USB holder in your car. We got it going down there to the Gold Zero. Look, you got ice cold Pepsis and Mountain Dews, condiments, anytime you want. It's the best thing ever. You got a thermometer, it's 31 inside. So everything's not 0 degrees frozen. You can keep an eye on it. You just charge it while you're doing deliveries. We're at Walmart waiting for a Spark order. But get the alpicool. It's the best cooler ever. alpicool cf46 or something. cf40. Around 260 or 300. You might want to get two though, one in the freezer. And then also, but this is good enough. We don't have enough power for a freezer.